Today I wanted to talk about the Rector Seal RSH-50 VRM kit, which is a voltage monitor and a surge protector built into one nice waterproof package. This kit, RSH-50, will monitor your voltage and give you surge protection. I have a power supply here where we can simulate a low voltage or a power outage and then a high voltage situation. So for right now, let's just turn this down to what would be, I have it set up at 95 volts. So once it gets below 95, it'll shut off, the unit's off, it's in alarm mode, and it will sit there until the power comes up to a safe level, which is fully programmable to whatever voltages you want between 85 and 300. So now we'll simulate, we'll go back to the normal voltage of 120. You can see the unit came on. Now you can build delays in here. For this purpose, I have a real short delay. And now we'll go into a high voltage situation. And there you have it. So we get low voltage, high voltage protection, and surge all in one kit.